everyone, I'm back. So in today's video, my fishy decided to join me today. Say hi to my fishy. So, do you remember those two birds I had shown you in one of my previous videos? If you didn't see that video, make sure you go and check it out. I'll leave a quick link in the description down below. And before I get to the next thing, make sure to like, subscribe and share my videos. So what were you talking about? Yeah, my two little birds. So today I'm going to be telling you about how I found ways to help them fly. So before you get to that, look at this feather. What happens? Oops, it dropped. So what happens if I take it up and pull it down a little bit faster than I took it up? Let's see. Let's see that again, shall we? It flies right off. So what I did with my birds was I took them in my hand and then took them up and down, up and down. So the air pushed under their wings. So then they started flapping their wings and eventually they flew off my hand. Before they only flew short distances, but now they fly really high up. Do you know I even had to turn off my ceiling fan? Another way is by gently pushing them off your hand. Remember, not too hard, they may get injured. And they can even follow you around, or if they have a sibling, they can follow each other. My two little ones even used to fight. So because they are babies, their legs are not strong. So a way you can make their legs stronger is by making them perch on things. So I made them a little birdie box. As you can see, I put a few sticks here so that they can perch. I even made them a little swing to have fun. They also have a door. This is where they go in and out from. So I made this box because I don't have a tree in my house. Trees have a lot of things like twigs, branches and other things that birds can perch on. And perching helps get their legs stronger and even helps them push off when they take flight. Watch a glimpse of my fun with them. I hope you all learned something new from me today, and if you have any ideas on this topic, do share them with me. And remember, if you've rescued birds like I did, when the time comes and you feel they're ready, let them go because the sky is their real home. That's all from me today. See you in my next video. Love, Aura and Fish.